Hello everyone, welcome to our channel BnBBuddy. Escape the ordinary, embrace the extraordinary with us. I, Priyanka Marwa, is here again with our new video in which I am going to give you the property tour. Welcome to an enchanting home tour where every corner exudes opulence and elegance. Enter करते हैं प्रतिष्ठा में प्रतिष्ठा के साथ, where we're gonna explore the lavish interiors of this residence. इस घर की सबसे important चीज जो इस घर की ब्यूटी को बढ़ाती है, शोभा बढ़ाती है, वो है इसका interiors. You can see the chandelier, the furniture. It's very comfortable. Vibrant colors. So इस घर में जैसे ही आप enter करेंगे आपको इतनी positive vibes आएंगी that I'm sure this will give you a wonderful experience. So I'm taking you to a huge balcony that is connected to the living room. So that balcony is flooded with sunlight that you gonna experience in a daytime. And we have a green plants over here. Definitely plants are green. So it is adding beauty to our apartment. So मुझे personally nature के पास रहना बहुत पसंद है. I'm a nature lover, so I'm sure you also gonna love it. So चलिए आपको enter कराते हैं अपने master bedroom की तरफ. Presenting elegant master bedroom featuring a lavish king size bed. यही नहीं, इसके कंफर्ट को दोगुना करने के लिए हमारे पास है एक सोफा कम बेड भी. In fact, in the same room we have a study table which is a combination of luxury and practicality. So इस master bedroom की एक और खासियत है, इसके साथ एक connected washroom है, वो भी super duper spacious, which is adorned with a sizable mirror illuminated from within. इसकी ब्यूटी को और भी ज्यादा बढ़ाता है इसका ये huge tub that elevates comfort and indulgence. यही नहीं, इसकी cupboard space that's awesome. हमारे उस बेडरूम की तरह ये बेडरूम भी बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. Very elegant, very spacious. In our each bedroom we have a beautiful carpet. This is our another bedroom, very luxurious with attached balcony. So this bedroom is basically full of, it has a lot of ventilation and बहुत ही sunlight के साथ है. So यहाँ बैठकर तो you can really enjoy the winter weather. So चलिए चलते हैं हमारे बेडरूम में. This is our beautiful bedroom, very spacious and very elegant. I am a firm believer of Almighty. इसीलिए इस रूम को खास बनाता है ये उसका मंदिर. I'm sure you gonna feel that positivity in this room. इस बेडरूम के साथ एक beautiful balcony भी है. In fact, हर रूम के साथ है. So have a look. As I said, इस घर को बहुत ही thoughtfully डिजाइन किया गया है. So this place is for smokers, those who really want to enjoy smoking. So this place is for them. They can really enjoy this beauty. With this bedroom, we have a connected washroom, which is as elegant as our bedroom. This area is for your gossip. You can sit with your friends and have a lot of gossip. So this is a separate area kept for you for, spending time with your loved ones. So nothing is possible without the blessings of Almighty. So this beautiful painting of Lord Krishna and Radha is here, which is adding really vibrancy to this area. So आइए देखिए हमारा dining area. Beautifully designed with an 8-seater dining table. Chairs are quite comfortable. I'm sure once you're gonna sit here, you won't be interested in moving ahead out of it. So you definitely want to sit over here for a long time, and I think you will enjoy your meals a lot with your family. Dining area से connected है हमारा kitchen area. So I think kitchen area उन लोगों के लिए बहुत important है जो cooking करना बहुत पसंद करते हैं. They are a good cook, and मेरे जैसे लोग जो food lovers हैं उनके लिए तो बहुत important है. चलिए देखते हैं. In this kitchen we have given all the amenities for the guests so that they can enjoy the meal cooked by themselves. Because many of them are, they love to eat home cooked food. So they don't prefer going to restaurants, they don't prefer buying food from outside. So this is for them. We have all the necessary utensils for you all to cook your food. We provide tea, coffee, sugar, the salt and spices for them. We have all the premium quality cutlery, in fact all the dishes and utensils. This is our laundry area where we provide washing machine. This is a fully automatic washing machine, I should rather say. This is for the travelers who are here for the long stay. In fact, we have a RO also, which actually filters the water, and this is for definitely the better immunity and safety of our digestive system. तो अगर आप सब भी सोच रहे हैं अपनी वेकेंट प्रॉपर्टी के अगेंस्ट हैंडसम रेवेन्यू जनरेट करना, तो डू कॉल अस. In fact, अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हैं, you are a frequent traveler and you are planning to travel to Gurgaon, do give us a call at the given number. You can email us also and visit our website. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हमारी अपकमिंग वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास रेगुलर आती रहे, so do like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.